Hey, what's up guys? Are you seeing a WooCommerce option here in my WordPress? So in this video, I will teach you how to install WooCommerce plugin in WordPress. Without any delay, let's start. So friends, here you can see that I have installed the WordPress on my local host. Now you have to click on this plugin and click on install plugins. Next, click on this add new button here and here search for WooCommerce. Friends, you can see that this plugin have 5+ million of active installations. Just click on this install now button. It will take few moments. So here you can see that the plugin is installed. Now you have to click on this activate button. Now here on the sidebar, you can see a WooCommerce menu here. So just click on this and here you have to put some details here. First of all, it is asking me for my country. I will select Pakistan and also I have to select my province here, which is Pakistan and Punjab. I will type my address here, type here your postcode. In my case, this is 38,000 and type your city here. My city is Faisalabad. And here you have to type your email address and I will remain this unchecked to get tips, products, updates and inspiration. Just click on continue button and here you have to make sure to click on no thanks because we are not going to allow WooCommerce to access our information. From here it is asking me that what category of products you are going to sell, because if you will give a hint to WooCommerce, it will suggest you themes according to your requirement. So in my case, suppose I will select electronics and home furniture, click on continue and here it is asking that what type of products you are going to sell, physical products, download, subscriptions, but I will select physical products. Click on continue. From here we have to select that how many products user will able to see. So from here I will select 11 to 100 and from here I will select yes, I am selling my products on another platform, or you can select a no from here. Click on continue and from here drop down I will uncheck these items. These options are for digital marketing purpose, but currently I am going to uncheck them. Just click on this enhance speed security with Jetpack. Click on continue. So in the next point, it is asking us to select a theme, maybe free or paid, but currently I am going to skip this option. In the bottom you can see that skip this step. I will click on this. So friends, here you can see that the WooCommerce plugin is installed successfully to my computer and now you can add products, set up payments, add taxes and use all the features of WooCommerce. Friends, I hope you must enjoy this video. If you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section. I will try to answer a question, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. And finally, thanks for watching.